Hello everyone. Yes, my name is Bandish Vyas. I am going to present one video regarding electric charges and fields. Okay, I am a physics teacher और मैं आप लोगों को एक फिजिक्स का एक बहुत शानदार धमाकेदार वीडियो दिखाने जा रहा हूँ. ठीक है, इन विच वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न many new things of your chapter number 1 standard number 12. Okay, so first chapter of the 12th standard, electric charges. Here you can see electric charges and the fields. This video is helpful for not only GSEB Gujarat board but also helpful for the CBSE board. Okay, so this video will be helpful for everyone, those who are wanting to get challenge themselves for CBSE or any other boards. Okay, chalo, so let's start. Chalo sab log. Okay, so now let us start with introduction of electric charges. Acha, what was the electric charge? Can you tell me? Acha, can anybody has any idea regarding the electric charges? Acha, first of all, think so. Okay, so now we are going to start with the electric charge, in which the word electric charge has come before many years. Suppose over here you can see around 600 BC बिफोर क्राइस्ट एरिया, मतलब बहुत सालों पहले बिफोर क्राइस्ट एरा में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वर्ड आया था. ठीक है, एंड द वर्ड ओके यू कैन सी ओवर हियर. ओके, these are the some of the introductory part which may not be asked. This is also importance or the regarding the history purpose. So if you are going to see the history of the electric charges, then this may be helpful. सो इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज की हिस्ट्री यहाँ पर आपको दिखाई गई है. ठीक है, सो नाउ ओके, सो इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज की हिस्ट्री भी दिखाई गई है. ओके, उसके पहले इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स, ओवर हियर द वर्ड हैज़ बीन गिवन दैट द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स. सो व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स? ओवर हियर you can see the electrostatics. Okay, so word has been given as the electrostatics. So what is electrostatics? Electrostatics क्या कहता है? Statics and electro. Over here the electrostatics is written. अच्छा, electro, there are two words. One is electro plus statics. So there are basically two words by which the electrostatics words have arrived. So electro, दूसरा है statics. अच्छा, what do we mean by electrostatics? Electro means the charge or the electric charge, and the statics means what? Statics is nothing but the steady. So means in this chapter we are going to learn the electrostatics, means in which the charge will be in the static condition. Charge will be static. Okay, so electrostatics deals with the study of fields, force, potentials arising out from the static charges. So we are dealing with the electrostatics, which are dealing with many kind of static charges. Okay, so the first chapter is only concerned regarding how the electric charges and fields will be. Okay, तो इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस और फील्ड्स दोनों को स्टैटिक कंडीशन में दिया जाएगा. वहाँ जहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज कोई भी मोशन में नहीं होगा, वो अपनी जगह पर ही होगा. वेरी इजी. ओके, अच्छा, सो नाउ ओके, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑल्सो द वर्ड हैज़ कम फ्रॉम द ग्रीक वर्ड विच इज़ इलेक्ट्रॉन, जिसका मीनिंग होता था एम्बर. ओके, so ember is the Greek word and which is the main meaning of the electricity. Okay, Now we are looking to see what was the electrostatics. Now here यहाँ पर एक फिगर दी गई है. चलो बच्चों, everybody can able to see the figure A, B, C. Now 3 rods have been given. 3 rods have been given. Acha, let us try to figure out what is being given in the first condition or the A condition. हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा ए कंडीशन में, सब लोग देख सकते हैं. सो what we do require to do, okay, when a silk cloth is being used, क्या है, क्या करना है, टेक वन कपड़ा, एक सिल्क क्लॉथ लीजिए, ठीक है. एंड देन आफ्टर व्हाट डू वी रिक्वायर टू डू, वी हैव टू रब द ग्लास रोड, ठीक है. यू हैव टू रब द ग्लास रोड, ओके. यू हैव, अच्छा, द थिंग इज ऑल्सो गिवन आई वी इन द फिगर हियर, ओके. दिस इज व्हाट द rubbing of the surfaces has been given, okay. So this is the glass rod. Now if you will rub it properly, then what would happen, after some time a positive charge has been generated, okay. So the first question would be there in your minds, that will it be possible to generate only a silk cloth be used, can't we use the woolen cloth. ये ऐसा है कि कोई भी सिल्क का कपड़ा ही यूज़ किया जाए, वुलन का कपड़ा यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, नहीं, ऐसा होता नहीं है. कोई भी सिल्क या वुलन के कपड़े से आप उसको प्रॉपरली रब कर सकते हो. अच्छा, नाउ व्हाट वुड हैपन if there are 2 glass rods which you have already put together, okay. So now both are having the same charges, plus and plus, and whenever it will be brought together, उन दोनों को नज़दीक लाया जाता है. So what would happen, it will repel. What would happen, it will repel, means repulsion होता है, मतलब एक दूसरे से अलग अलग जाते हैं, एक दूसरे को धक्का मारते हैं. It will try to push the 2 rods in to one another. Ultimately they are both trying to push one another into surroundings. So this is what we learn, that whenever the glass rod will be put together and brought back at the same time, then what would happen, it will try to push one another away, ठीक है. So this is nothing but the repulsion. This is the fundamentals of electric charges, okay. तो जैसे ही हमने सिल्क थ्रेड से रोड को बांधा और उसको लटकाया और एक दूसरे को ग्लास रोड को एक दूसरे को नज़दीक लाया, तो क्या हुआ, अल्टीमेटली इट हैज़ बीन a repulsion being found. So now let us try to figure out what would happen in the figure number B. Okay, over here the figure B is given. Now the same thing we are going to do with the plastics. Acha, now the silk thread has been used to hang the plastic rod, and then after we are trying to rub it properly. Okay, if we will try to rub the plastic rod for some time, then what would happen, अगर थोड़ी देर तक हम प्लास्टिक रोड को एक दूसरे के साथ कपड़े के साथ थोड़ा रब करें, एक दूसरे की घसाई करें, तो क्या होगा? Negative charges will be induced, which you can see over here into the figure. Negative charges will be induced. Acha, what would happen if the negative charges will be brought together? Okay, over here the same thing is being observed. When the two rods are being brought together, then ultimately both will try to repel once again. Means we could come to know two things from the two different experiments. What? Suppose प्लास्टिक रोड को एक दूसरे को नज़दीक लाया जिसमें नेगेटिव चार्ज इंड्यूस हुआ था, तो क्या होगा? इट विल ट्राई टू रिपेल वन अनदर, एक दूसरे को वो रिपेल करेंगे. And what would happen if the glass rod will be brought together? It will try to also repel one another. Means from the experiment 1 we can conclude. What can we conclude? That whenever the glass rod will be used, this is suppose glass rod, then the repulsion will be found. And what would happen after conducting experiment 2? Experiment 2 was being based on the plastic. So whenever the plastic rod will be brought together, we have seen there will be a negative charge. So negative charges. Ultimately, it will also result in the repulsion. So from these two experiments, what can we define? In the electrostatics, ये दोनों एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के बाद हम लोगों ने क्या निर्णय या कौन सा फैसला ले सकते हैं? That whenever the experiment 1 and 2 are being conducted, like charges plus or plus both are same charges in the terms of physics, both are termed as like charges, will repel. The same thing is also same for the minus minus. What would happen if the two minus plates will brought together? We have also seen the same thing. What would happen if the plastic rod will be brought together? We have seen it. Both are like charges, minus minus. So ultimately it will also repel. Ultimately the repulsion is taking place. So these are the two experiments. Now the third experiment we are going to conduct. So after doing this, we have written that if the like charges will be brought, let me write down. मैं लिखता हूँ. Like charge. So what would happen? Like charge ultimately repel one another. And what would happen if unlike charges? Chalo, that is the main concern you must be thinking. So that we are going to study. We are going to find from the third experiment. बच्चों फिर से रिवाइज करते हैं थोड़ा बहुत जो हमने किया. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स क्या होता है? जब भी इलेक्ट्रॉन स्टैटिक कंडीशन में होता है, जब भी इलेक्ट्रॉन एक जगह से दूसरी जगह नहीं जाएगा, तो जो भी खड़ा होगा थिंकिंग, उसको बोलते हैं इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स। ओके, उसमें क्या स्टडी करते हैं? फोर्स, फील्ड एंड पोटेंशियल्स। अच्छा, इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वर्ड 600 बिफोर क्राइस्ट एरा से चला आ रहा है, बहुत ही पुराना है, वेरी ओल्ड वर्ड विच हैव बीन ब्रॉट अल्टीमेटली. So it was a Greek word. So ultimately we have conducted then after two experiments. One was with like charges. It was from the two rods. One was of silk thread. Another, when the silk thread is being used to put the glass rod as well as plastic rod to hang at the surface, then because of the right charges it will repel. Achha, now we are going to see what would happen if now glass rod and plastic rod both are different. Glass rod has already been brought as the plus charge and the plastic rod has become the minus charge. What would happen if we will try to move it closer to one another? Okay, so this is now the third experiment, experiment 9 number 3. We are giving it third experiment. हम तीसरे experiment का नाम दे रहे हैं. What would happen if the glass rod as well as plastic rod will be brought together? So now let us try to think ahead regarding it. So this is the silk thread. Now we have already concluded the glass rod was of positively charged and plastic rod was of negatively charged. So now I have tried to brought it nearer to one another. Here you can see it has been brought to one another. So means now the plus and minus charges have been brought. प्लस और माइनस चार्जेस को एक दूसरे के सामने लाया जाता है. सो अल्टीमेटली विच रिजल्ट डू वी सी? अल्टीमेटली वी can able to find the attraction. This is what the main focus is. Ultimately when the opposite charges, these are the opposite charges, will be brought to one another, then the attraction will be done between both the charges. Over here you can able to see it. Okay, so now this is what the conclusion. So now after doing this, the conclusion can be derived that if the two unlike charges will be brought nearer to one another, then what would happen? They will attract to each other. If unlike charges will be brought to one another, then it will attract each other. This is what the statement is given and this is what the figure is showing. This is the experiment number 3. This is the figure of experiment number 1 and this is the figure of the experiment number 2. So after doing the experiment, we can able to find that it is almost helpful for use these charges. The attraction we will term as A and for the repulsion we can term it R. So these both are the R's. This is repulsion and this is attraction. Achha, after carrying out experiment number 3, we can come to know that always unlike charges repel one another. Unlike charges attract one another. So these are the 3 experiments. Based upon the 3 experiments, ultimately it was being covered that the thing, two conclusion, very big conclusions of the same thing, like charges repel and unlike charges attract each other. And then after these kind of experiments conducted, and many more experiments were conducted, and then after many kind of experiments could give the result that electric charges are of two types only. One is positive, another is negative. And another thing also we can able to see, whenever the rubbing is taken place, then rods would acquire an electric charges. Okay, so the over here also it is written, आप read कर सकते हो, ये क्या है, electric charge है. Okay, I have put it into the underlined criteria. Okay, so basically how many types of electric charges are there? Only two kind of electric charges are there. It is plus, one another is minus. And what is the conclusion? That both the things are known as electric charge. And this is what the fundamentals of the today's lecture. Okay, so this is what I want you to understand. मैं ये ऐसा कहना चाहता हूँ आप सभी लोगों को कि आप लोग ये देखने के बाद आज कम से कम एक चीज़ सीख के जाएं कि कोई भी चार्जेस दो प्रकार के होते हैं. One is positive charge, another is negative charge. Okay, and the property which differentiates the two kinds of charges is called polarity of charge. Ultimately, with the help of one property by which the two charges are totally eliminated or defined are known as polarity or charges. Polarity of charge, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Polarity of charge. Okay. अच्छा, what would happen if both the glass rods are neutral one? If you will not rub the rod, and then after if you will try to bring two rods to one another, then what would happen? You must be thinking regarding this. अगर दो रोड एक दूसरे के नज़दीक लाए जाए विदाउट मेकिंग इट इलेक्ट्रिफाइड, then what would happen? अच्छा, both are neutral. So what would happen? Ultimately it will have no charges. Why? Because they are neutral. So it is known as neutral charge. Means that is not the new charge. Ultimately positive charges and negative charges both are balanced. So we can write that positive and negative both are in the same number. So this is known as same numbers of charges. Okay, so same numbers of charges, so ultimately it will become the neutral charge. So let me write the n which is showing you the neutral charge. Okay, so this is what the neutral charge. Okay, so everybody is now aware of this. Okay, so in today's introductory session we have found two kind of charges and we have studied three kind of experiments because of how the electric charges would be defined. Now I would like you to see my video, and please put the comment in the comment section, and please give away your best compliments. And if you are having still any doubts, then you can put it into the comment section. ओके, हम ऐसे ही वीडियोस नए भी अपलोड करते रहेंगे. टिल देन प्लीज़ वॉच ऑल द video and subscribe to our YouTube channel Dave Classes Rajkot. Till then, have a nice day, enjoy the day, and have a nice day. Goodbye. Okay, thank you.